Doing it for the vlog. What's up? Doing it for the vlog. Oh, he trying to mess with our manager because he in the bathroom taking a dump. Trying to hit the wall and jump, you know.
Hey, you hear that music in the? Yeah, that's me right there, young.
My man, young. Doing it for the vlog. Bullet. So this is how Jimmy John's make their tuna. Look at this. Look at the flick of that wrist. Hey, look at the. So this is how Jimmy John's make their bread. They put water in the bottom and just forget about it.
Oh, the water did boil out.
Oh my gosh. He gonna break it. This is how Jimmy John's wash dishes. This is how Jimmy John's wash dishes.
He like working with black people. I think he said no in his own words. He didn't give us a whole story.
Dang, Greg, that's messed up. You don't like working with the black guys? Huh, Greg? You don't like working with the black guys?
It depends how much money I'm making. And I don't want to get robbed. You ain't gonna get robbed over here. I got robbed in Detroit. I delivered for Domino's. I got robbed about 4 or 5 times.
Good afternoon, guys. Just got off work. And I'm about to go get a lineup. You see my junk looking rough right now. But when I get that lineup, I'm gonna look like a completely different person. Alright. So here's me getting out of the car. I just gotta get my stuff. It's a little junky in here because I just got off work, so don't judge me. Judge-free zone. Hello. Doing it big. Doing it big. It's my favorite barbershop, Rob. What's going on, Rob? Put you on the vlog, man.
What up, though?
What up, though? Best barber in Michigan. You know how Rob do it. I'll tell you guys, I look like a brand new person. I do though. You can't say I don't. Hello. I ain't trying to get hit by traffic, but yeah. About to go to this game store. It's gonna be boring. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be boring. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be boring. It's gonna be hot. But look out, cause I'm doing it for the vlog. Bullet. Man, so what kid?
Put my tongue on.
Hear that? Ken talking about he want to put his tongue on her. He want to eat that booty like some groceries.
Whoa. Whoa.
What you mean, whoa, whoa? You want to eat the booty like some groceries?
I don't eat booty.
He don't eat booty, but he eat the A word, ass.
No.
A-S-S-S-S-S-S.
I don't mess with that either. I like that sweet poisson. That poisson.
This nigga is a freak. So I'm outside Ken's house, waiting for this dude to come outside. I don't know what the hell he in there doing, but he need to hurry up. He need to hurry up. So yeah, me and him probably got to the mall. I think they got some deals at H&M. So yeah, we about to go check that out. Doing it big. Doing it for the vlog. Yeah. To this wait, you know, it's coming soon, but I'm just out here waiting on him. Alright, so me and Ken just got to the mall. It's the movies over there. Star Theaters. Fairlane Town Center. And they got a gym in here. See what's going on. He on the phone with his buddy, Professor. Yeah, white man, you better open the door for him. Thank you, good sir. Chinatown.
I'm about to go on H&M because I just need some new clothes.
Thank you.
I'm gonna call you back later. FaceTime you, bro. And if not, I'll leave a voice message.
But yeah, we about to go on to H&M and ting and ting.
Alright.
About to go see what's going on, you know. Ken about to go on a shopping spree, $600 doing it big.
Why is you lying to your following like this?
$600 doing it big.
Do I look like Free Band Future?
No, he look like Band's Future Free Band.
You look more like Future than I do.
Nah, bro, I don't look like Future, man. You got me messed up. But yeah, man, we just doing it big. Girl store, you know.
Why your girlfriend something?
I can't remember the last time I've been in Fairlane.
Why your girlfriend something?
I don't have no girlfriend, man. Come on.
Why you lying to your? Why you keep lying to your followers?
Why you keep lying to your followers? Why you keep lying to your followers? H&M, doing it for the vlog. Hey, bro. Hey, come hold the camera so people don't stare.
Who are you?
Hold the camera so people don't stare at me. I'm doing it for the vlog, man. I swear he just said Jimmy John's, bro. I'm doing it for the vlog.
See, you don't even be ordering food, bro.
I'm doing it for the vlog. And people looking at me and ting and ting. So where these deals at that you seeing, Ken? That's the deals? See that? That's the deals? This dude don't know what he talking about, man. He just like to drag people out the house off their job for no reason. No freaking reason, bro. Hey, you know, trying on hats. What's next? My sexy self. Oh snap. I'm gonna fuck your bitch in the club like this, Ken. I'll be like, hey. I got skills, log.
I'm about to tee out this boy. I'm gonna lean on the head. I like my beat.
Go. I'll beat your ass up the stairs, boy. You sound crazy as hell. Talking about, you actually think you was gonna beat me up the stairs? I'm Jamaican, boy. Where you think these legs come from, boy?
I might not get that baby. There you go.
Who? I'm doing it for the vlog. Ken got some stuff. I got me 2 shirts.
Damn.
Two.
Damn, boy.
Cause my ass is all in his face, but you know how we do it. Ain't that right?
Hey, call me. Look, 313-727-7759. Call me.
Don't call him. That's gonna be. You know what, bro? If you want people to call you, cause it's going up on YouTube.
I might have somebody call.
Yeah, she gonna call your ass for days, nigga. We're walking out the mall now, and ting, and Ken trying to come and focus, cause you see he blurry over there. That's the depth of field going on, you know? Shit is amazing. But yeah, getting out of here, chilling, like a villain. About to whoop ass in FIFA, you know? See my blue face? That's what's got. Hey Ken, so you trying to go to the movies or what? You trying to go to the movies or what, man? Hear that, vlog world? Ken said he got too much money. He ain't trying to spend it on the movies though. He trying to spend it on some strippers. But that's what he love.
Yeah, I love them strippers.
Yeah, you love them strippers?
Yeah,
Strippers don't love you. Bullets.